Hi everyone, this is Carol. Stop-motion animation is also called frame-by-frame animation, frame animation, and paper-cut animation. It involves making static objects into continuous pictures, and then playing this picture at a certain speed in films, TVs, and other media to create a motion effect. Stop-motion animation first started in the late 19th century and early 20th century. The production method at that time was to use a handmade card or paper to shoot and create frame by frame, which was extremely expensive, and the production period was very long. However, thanks to a technological evolution, the stop-motion animation nowadays could be done in a digital manner, which largely shortens the production cycle and makes the production of stop-motion animation much more convenient. Well, some directors who insist on old ways have retained the traditional stop-motion animation process as much as possible, and also added advanced techniques to make the final effect even more stunning. If you want to try out stop-motion animation yourself to explore this long-standing art, it is actually quite simple. And all you need is a camera or a cell phone, a leading character, and a video editing software. Of course, for a better result, you can also prepare a tripod and a steady background and lighting while you are shooting. Alright, without further ado, let's get started. Here, I use this transforming robot as a demonstration. I want it to enter from the left side of the frame, and then transform from a train to a robot. And here is how we do it. We need to set up a tripod and a phone or camera for shooting first. Set a focus, white balance, whatever to lock. Then we put a train on the left side of the frame. Take a picture, and then move a little bit to the middle of the frame. Take another picture, just like this. Move just a little further each time, and then press the shutter. The layer each move is, the smoother the final film will be. In addition, it is important not to shake your tripod as much as possible during the shooting process. After several moves, we have a set of photos like this. Let's import all the photos into VideoProc Vlogger. All the pictures will be automatically packed into the folder like this. We double-click to open the folder. If the pictures are not sorted in order they were taken, you can click here. Next, we find the settings or use shortcut F2. Select the timeliness. Change the duration of the image to custom, and manually fill in 0.15. Then drag the whole folder of the pictures into the timeline. Let's play and see the result. A simple stop-motion video is now complete. Isn't that very simple? Of course, you can add some music and sound effects to spice it up a little bit to make it look more interesting. Apart from the traditional shooting like this, we can also transform an ordinary video into a stop-motion animation in post-production. We just need to take a screenshot like this, one every other frame, about 3 frames apart. When you are done, just import all the image into VideoProc Vlogger as you did earlier. Then, go back to a setting and change the duration of the image. Then drag the whole picture to the video track like this. And you are done. Let's play it and see the result. Well, not bad. Alright, that's it all for today's video. And if you want to know more about other and tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we'll see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!